European Union is made of its people, and it's the connection between the people. So it is important that we bring Portuguese youth to connect with Ukrainian youth.
The time to act is right now. The time to act is after this enlargement camp, how we can work together, maybe making use of European youth programs in order to turn into projects the ideas that we were debating during these days here in Lviv.
This first day has been intense, but very nice to meet all of these Ukrainian friends already.
It's very intense. We've been traveling a lot and we finally arrived in Lviv, and it's been already amazing. The city is very beautiful, the people are very nice, and I'm very grateful to be here.